All right, I have our rainbow ways to make tens to do today. I think most of us did this in class, but we're going to go ahead and do it again because it's a good way to practice our ways to make 10 equations, both directions, and it's also a rainbow. I want to do rainbow. So first thing we always do is put our name on our paper. Oops. My class knows I always use Tucker's name as my name on the paper. It's my child. All right, so the first thing you're going to do is the red row, okay? So we're going to color our rainbow. High quality kinder coloring. Mrs. Stoll can go a little bit fast. You might need to go a little bit slower. We want to fill in color that whole first arch. Red. All right, and then before I put down my red crayon, I'm going to fill in this color red, and I'm going to fill in this color red, and we'll use that later, okay? So what's the next color in the rainbow? Orange. Color that one in. The red one always takes the longest because it's top and it's bigger, huh? Just do your best job to fill in color. Try not to leave any big. Do we scribble at school? Goodness, no. Kindergartners, especially this far through kinder, pretty good fill-in coloring. All right, Miss Stoll's hurrying a little bit because I don't want to use the time coloring. But before I put the orange down, I'm going to put an orange dot here and an orange dot here to later. All right, keep going. See, nice yellow. Yellow isn't as bright, is it? Oh, it looks pretty good on the camera. Make sure I fill it in. I don't want to leave any white. Go back over it a little bit. All right, and then before I put the yellow crayon down, the next dots are yellow. Okay. After yellow comes green. You guys remember watching the video about why rainbows are the same? If you don't remember, it's Magic School Bus. You can go look it up. It's just colors inside the rainbow. Why they're always the same. What about the rainbows in the Leprechaun book? You remember that? Leprechaun book. All right, there's green before I put it down. Green dot. Green dot. All right, and after green comes blue. Now our rainbow is the one with the 6 colors. Real rainbow in the sky has the 7 colors, right? The indigo is the one we are not going to have. Our rainbow just has the basics, all right? And before I put the blue down, blue dots and blue dots, okay? And lastly, we have our purple. There we go, nice purple filled in. All right, that's some good coloring. All right, the last, before I put my purple down, I'm gonna go those last dots, fill that one in, and fill that one in. Okay, blue needs a little bit darker. Okay, now what you need is a pencil. Okay, and you're gonna take your pencil, and you're gonna go the first ones, and they're the red ones. Remember I colored them red, so I'm gonna take my finger, and I'm gonna go red. So what's the number on the red? 0. And I'm going to trace it all the way over to where the red ends, and the other red is 10. So I'll put the 10 right there. Okay. Now I'm going to do this equation on this side, starting over here. And on this side, I'm not going to move my finger. I'm going to put my 10 here. I'm going to follow the 10 all the way over. to here and put the second number there. So now you can see that 0 plus 10 equals 10. 10 plus 0 equals 10. It works both directions. Do the same thing with orange. Put my finger on the orange. That number goes right here. I follow the orange all the way over to the other side. And that number goes right here. Okay? Then on the second equation, I'm going to start with the 9. And I'm going to follow it all the way back to where the number is on this side. It's a 1. Now I have 1 plus 9 equals 10. 9 plus 1 equals 10. We're going to do the same thing with each one of these numbers. So we start with this number here, trace it over. It goes here. Start with that number here, trace it back, and that number goes here. See my 6? Yeah. And there we go. All the ways to make 10. Different ways in the fact that it's starting with and ending with the opposite number. So go through and practice. 0 plus 10 equals 10. 7 plus 3 equals 10. 4 plus 6 equals 10. 6 plus 4 equals 10. They're the same, but they're different. It's different ways to make 10. So spend some time practicing that.